So quiet. We are going from the zoo to the botanical gardens, and there's a boat down there too. Aaron, you see the boat? It's going pretty fast. Here comes the boat. What did you ride on the carousel? You rode on a tiger. You were on a tiger. And now we're going over a river. This would be a good spot to go whitewater rafting.
Yeah.
A little trail going down that way.
Look, airplane.
Oh, you see an airplane? Where?
Where's your airplane?
Oh, yeah, you're right. Tiny airplane.
You're gonna be a pilot, right? Be pilot and fly us to other countries.
We picked a good time to be members. First year this thing was open. I guess, I don't know, I guess you do have to get out up there. Yeah, I see people getting out.